Have you ever opened your fridge to find a single ketchup bottle staring back at you? Or maybe a lone slice of cheese clinging to its plastic wrap? Welcome to the chaos of unplanned meals. Dinner turns into a scavenger hunt, and stress levels rise faster than water boiling over. But it doesn't have to be this way. Imagine a world where meal times are stress-free, where you know exactly what's for dinner, and it's not cereal for the third night in a row. That's the power of mastering meal planning. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to transform kitchen chaos into culinary confidence. Stick with us as we explore the art of meal planning, because a little preparation can go a long way in keeping you healthy, happy, and well-fed. Let's get started on this tasty journey. Think of a master meal plan as your personal assistant for the kitchen. It's not just a list of meals, it's a strategy to reclaim your week. Picture this. Instead of scrambling each evening, you've got everything planned out, from breakfast to dinner. This approach doesn't just save time, it saves stress. And the best part? It's adaptable. Whether you're an athlete needing protein-packed meals, a busy worker looking for quick options, or someone with specific dietary needs, the master meal plan flexes to fit your lifestyle. Imagine the simplicity of knowing what's for dinner before the day even begins. With a little upfront planning, you can enjoy balanced, nutritious meals all week long without breaking a sweat. It's about making life easier, healthier, and even more delicious. So let's dive in and explore how this tool can transform your approach to eating and living. Ready to master your meals? Let's get started. Now let's dive into the art of tailoring meals to fit your lifestyle. Whether you're an athlete pushing limits at the gym, a worker tackling deadlines, or an elder seeking comfort and nourishment, there's a perfect plate for you. For athletes, think protein-packed powerhouses, grilled chicken, quinoa, and colorful veggies to fuel those gains. Workers, you need quick yet balanced options. How about a hearty wrap with lean turkey, avocado, and a side of fruit? For elders, focus on nutrient-dense and easy-to-digest meals, like a warm bowl of vegetable soup paired with soft whole-grain bread. It's all about matching your meal to your mission. So whether you're lifting weights or lifting office files, we've got you covered. And remember, good nutrition isn't one size fits all. It's about making your meals work for you. Ready to see how this applies to your budget? Let's dig in. You don't need a bank loan to eat healthy, just some clever tips. Let's talk about keeping both your diet and wallet happy. Affordable superfoods are your best friends. Beans, oats, and seasonal vegetables pack a punch without packing a price tag. When shopping on a budget, go in with a plan. Lists are your secret weapon. They help you avoid impulse buys and stick to essentials. Shopping in bulk for staples like rice or pasta can save a fortune over time. How do you ensure you're getting all essential vitamins? It's simpler than you think. Vitamin C? Oranges and bell peppers got you covered. Need iron? Look no further than spinach or fortified cereals. For healthy fats, avocados and nuts are excellent choices. And no, you don't have to buy pre-made guac. Another tip, embrace frozen produce. It's just as nutritious as fresh and lasts longer, saving money and reducing waste. Don't shy away from store brands. They're often just as good as big names, but at a fraction of the cost. Eating healthy doesn't mean breaking the bank. With smart choices and a little planning, you can nourish your body and budget simultaneously. Up next, we'll dive into quick and easy recipes that put these tips into action. And there you have it. Meal planning can truly transform your week into a stress-free, delicious adventure. From tailored plans for athletes, busy workers, and elders, to budget-friendly shopping tips, we've covered it all. Being prepared in the kitchen means more time to enjoy the things you love. Before we go, let's end with a laugh. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and laughs. Happy planning, and see you next time.